do do dooby doo wah ba ba ba.
Hey guys, it's me, Emily. I've been making these little paper clips to go in my Happy Mail, and they're so easy. I thought I'd just pop on here real quick to show you. So I got this table scatter from Dollar Tree today. It's nice because both sides have glitter on them, and the pack comes with each of these colors and both sizes of the hearts. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I've been doing. I'm using a hot glue gun, but you can use probably double-sided tape as well. I tried to use this type of glue, but it did not stick at all. It did not work. So don't try that. And a glue stick probably won't work either. I got these colorful paper clips from Staples. Alright, so we're just gonna put some glue on here. Push it down. There you go. So I like these because there's glitter on both sides and it's pretty from both sides with a little bit of a different look. So that'd be nice, like popping up out of a planner, or I don't know, even just like decorating your desk. So I hope you guys found some inspiration in this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!